Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you clear cache and website data of Safari. So first of all, let's open settings. Now you have to scroll down and find Safari. Here is Safari, let's click on it. Now you have to scroll down. Here you will get option of clear history and website data. You can directly clear it from here by clicking on clear history and data. You can also do it from scroll down to last and click on advanced. Here is option of website data, click on it. Now here all the website data are visible, and if I want to remove it all, then I will click on remove all website data and click on remove now. You can also do it individually by clicking on edit, then click on this red icon and then click on delete. Clearing website data will help you to free storage on your device. If you want to clear history also with the data, then click here and then click on clear history and data and then click on, and here you can keep tabs and close all tabs. You can choose it yourself. Now the history and website data is cleared of Safari, and this is how you can clear website data of Safari. Thank you everyone.